welcome to the Shelley Studio and another art journal page. This one I decided I would add the color first and then put my collage papers down. Since I was covering them all up with paint, I thought maybe this would stop me from painting over them. And I really love how this one turns out, and yes, I am still using the Phthalo turquoise that my sister gave me for my birthday because I am totally in love with this color. So I just mixed it with a little bit of gesso I think it was gesso I used, or white paint, I don't know. Just to get it a little lighter because it's a pretty dark color. And then just grabbing stuff out of that envelope and trying to use it up. This is just a scrap piece of Tim Holtz tissue. I decided it needs to be in smaller pieces, but I don't want to hurt my moth. And we're just going to use the Deco Arts Deco page to glue these all down. So at this point there's no real plan. I did pick out the colors that I wanted, that I thought would look good together, and just basically doodling with pieces of paper. So I didn't use a ton of papers. I did want the pretty turquoise color to show up. So now I'm just taking a Posca pen and doodling, and decided these kind of look like flowers. I can make them look like flowers. And we're going to have a field of flowers, I think. So after drawing them in, I used my white Posca. Some of them really needed some help, like those flowers, because they were weird black things. Some of them probably didn't need as much of the white Posca as I gave them, but they all got the white Posca treatment. So now I've pulled out some Payne's Gray, and I'm just going to use that to enhance the flowers by shading around them. That just helps the flowers to stand out a little bit more. So I really liked how this one turned out. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave me a comment. I always love to hear what you have to say, and we'll try to respond to everybody. And if you did like it and you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.